Okay.
Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and I'm playing with the two of my friends. Maririnig din yung mga sigaw nila at maririnig mo rin yung sigaw ko.
Guys, where are you?
Guys!
Okay. Control.
Wala
After
pa
one.
rin. Oy!
Multiplayer. Confirm. Confirm.
Pranking dodo.
Pasok na, pasok.
Ayan na, ipasok mo na.
I'm gonna scream at the traffic lady again. My son told them
Uy, copyright. Copyright.
O ano, di ba?
Hala, si William Afton. So scary.
Siguro copyright yung music.
Na bro, na if YouTube will copyright it na. Ay wait, baka ma-copyright ako pag sabi ng YouTube.
I was not even copyright.
First
Wala mo
game.
sa moderation nila, ang pangit.
Are you gay?
No.
Dati bakla. Yo, sayang. Yo guys,
Yeah, dati bakla ako until I met Arman, bro.
Fuck that.
in a way bro, in a way.
You can enter the toilet.
Wait, let me see some kids. I mean, no, wrong one.
Oh, chill.
Pare, abandon. Let's save some kids, I said.
Huh?
Where are you guys?
I'm here.
Okay. Here.
Bakla, so one. You wanna check?
I remember where the key is.
Dun dun.
Yeah.
Dun dun.
Tao.
Lucky. How lucky? Can open the gym door.
Arma.
Saan yung gym door?
We're gonna get the key when I get the key.
Where's the gym? Where's the gym?
The gym. Ito.
Where's Ivan?
Pero, pag-open ka, yung footsteps mo nakakatakot.
Me?
Yes. Huwag ka mag-share screen.
Okay, let me turn it off.
It's gonna make the experience.
Yeah, there. Much better. Yo, pink tree. Meow, meow. Yo, para may drawing. Come here.
Huh?
May drawing dito.
Don't break the seal. Don't break the seal.
What if I want to?
Don't break the seal.
What if I want?
No. Break the seal.
Punitin
You're gonna die.
Ay, kainis naman. Punitin ang sedula. Eh, dito. Punitin ang sedula. Yo,
Guys,
merong pagkain dito sa bag.
let's speedrun this.
Scary! Wow! Hi! Hi!
Hi. Goodbye.
Isn't that Yaki?
That was
Ano nangyari?
Ano, takoyaki?
Hindi, Yaki.
Yeah, takoyaki. Oo, takoyaki. Hello?
Hello?
Saan na tayo? I forgot. Oh yeah, yung sa... It's the blood!
Wait, can I touch the mimic? Oh no, mali.
What you mean you want to touch the mimic?
I'ma give her my key. Yo, one woman.
Come here, big boy.
Kainis ka.
Come here,
Alam
big
niyo ba
boy.
yun? Yung crawling lady, alam niyo pa yun?
Oo.
Come here, big boy. Come pick up your phone.
Well,
Okay, nandito ulit tayo.
Hiyachi! That's Hiyachi!
Ingay mo?
anong graphics ako? Ang lag. Ay.
Yo, guys. Open ba to? Tao po. Pahingi.
Let's try to speedrun this game.
I'm coming for you.
Yeah, because guys, we played this without the chicken nuggets, without kainis na sabi ko without the chicken nuggets. Without the videoing, yes. We done this without videoing. Ay, yung bakla.
Nung bakla.
Oo, yung bakla. Guys, oh, leave me.
I have PC. I have PC, okay.
I need
I remember where it is. Guys, follow me.
Okay.
Oy,
Okay.
follow me. I know where it is. Follow me.
You the monster. Kalbo. Monkey so dumb IQ to
Lagi ng baka. Why is leg hurt?
Laki lang iklog. Tulong. Laki lang iklog niya.
Guys, I'm near the door.
I got the key.
I love the way she just hums.
Dude, you like a mimic?
Bakot.
Yes! What's the problem with it?
Gaya she. Gaya she. Oh shoot, gaya. Gaya siya.
Ayoko na.
Ano ginawa ko?
Dinala mo sa atin, kalbo. Ututin.
Sana kayo?
Okay, follow me.
Wait lang. Let me grab the key then. Oh my god.
The big room. Run for it!
Where are you?
On the door!
Where are you? Chicken banana. Huh? Finn? Yeah?
Ang lag!
Finn? Yeah?
Only people in similar age group can chat you.
Finn? Yeah?
Big boy.
Tagal mag-load ng screen ko. Yun.
Yo, Skibby.
Guys, you see what I do? You see what I
Yo,
said in
come
chat?
here, big boy. Let's fight.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see it.
What did I say?
He's black.
Big guy.
Big boy. You know, bro. Dito.
Oh yeah, big boy.
Big guy. Pangit yun. Pangit ng lag.
Oh my goodness! Let me skip your dialogue. Ang pangit mo. Ang pangit. Ay! Sleep on this, boy.
I still know where the exit is.
Ayoko nga.
Wala na. Alam na saan, guys. Where's it? Left or right?
Here.
Remember the breathing lady?
Lada di
Yeah.
lady.
Oh, my fingers are ready for running.
Ay, ankle.
Hello.
Wala.
Mama, you go first.
Breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Bakit?
Hello?
Hello?
So what's in
Saan ko?
Guys, come here dito. Dito.
Huwag nga.
Halika, let's. Come on.
Bakit?
Meron ka makikita. Look, come here.
Ah, so that's where she is. Ang nanay mo.
Wait,
Game.
par, safe zone yung mga rocks.
Ha?
Yeah, yung mga gray. Oh, she can't go.
3.
Oh, so no, I was wrong. Wait, the house is the safe zone.
Baro ka dyan, Arman.
Oh. Come here, big boy.
Big gun.
Wala na, cringy.
Okay, who will go first? I don't wanna go.
I left my home for the army, What's up, bro?
I left my... Ah!
Dude, why did you moan?
Takbo!
I left my home
Tulong, guys!
home for the army, I left my home for the army,
Ay,
Didi. How to do this?
ito yan eh.
Open the door. Open the door. Hala.
Up there.
Turn. Didi Master.
Ah, let's go left.
Left. Are you sure?
Yeah, I remember the right way.
If
What if we go right? That's the question.
Hello?
We will have to return.
Escape the hotel. Oh no, the dog.
Ano ba yan? Hindi ko. Ano, mama ko ako?
Mama. Tayo kumaba.
Yo, stop.
Yo, Penguin, what's up? Yo, wait. Hey.
Vibe to the music.
Hey!
Yo, what's up, man?
I'm still at the Penguin.
Okay, me and Ivan are gonna try and find the exit.
Okay.
Well, let's wait for Aman.
I'm the guy that distracts. That's so fun, bro. Funny business. Oh, yeah.
Don't worry, she can't go here.
What about I don't want to? Is she black?
Ala, pinagalitan. Ala.
Nah, I'm not gonna yell that because my baby sister is still sleeping and
Hello?
she wants me to take care of her.
Hello? Hello?
What about your chicken turkey?
Hello?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Dito ako sumigaw eh.
3, 2, 1,
Guys,
go.
are we
Worst
cool?
case scenario. Let go my heart, let go my thoughts of stereo.
Are we cooked, gang?
I'm gonna do it first, okay?
Go left.
California. wanna
Ingay, ayoko nga, ayoko nga. I kill 900 kids in my bathroom. Oh, I kill.
Guys, remember, if your light flickers, she's near.
She did. She
Shoot.
did.
Guys,
She
my
has a
light
day.
flickered.
She has a
My light
day.
flickered.
Mine too. Mine too.
She
My
had a
light
day.
flickered.
She had a day. She had a
She's
day.
near, she's near.
She had a day.
Forward.
Okay, walk muna tayo. Stamina kasi.
Listen si Aman. Oh. Snake formation, guys.
Shoot.
Snake formation.
Shoot! Run! Takbo! Run! Wala na.
Okay, okay.
I think, wala na.
Wait, he teleports.
Sometimes,
Mama, Papa.
kuko
Am I the brave one here, bro?
Dude, look at me. Ako ngayon nag-una.
Ako rin, kami ni Aman nagmuna, siyempre. Kasi
Yung babae na yung takot dito.
takot.
At least wala mo lang ako na.
Yo, mga
At least hindi
Sigma
ako nakakit.
boys.
You can see that. Guys, if she went here, so let's go left. Let's go left.
Oy, mga Sigma boys.
Wait, let's be ready. Wait, precious. Look at our back. Check our back. We go forward.
Okay.
Right trigger?
Wala.
No?
This far. Let's go. Okay, left.
Hey, nani, sa hello de. See you.
Right.
Oh. Okay, wala
Game-
siya.
Oh no, guys, dead end.
Oh, no. Okay, malapit tayo sa end. Okay, she go there. So,
We
so
go
we need to
right.
go here.
Kainis kayo.
Isa.
Where is she?
My light flickered.
Yeah, me too.
Ayan.
Mama, Papa.
Take us. I don't know. I think it's gone.
Are you sure?
Yeah. So I just
Somebody? What you mean, someone? Give me here.
we did it. Arman, do you get to the exit?
Yeah, ako yung nauna sa exit.
Where am I now? Guys, I'm not with you.
What?
I'm still at the same level.
But chapter 1 ended. Chapter 2.
Guys,
Wait lang, hintayin natin si Ikaw.
nah, just go without me. Just go without me. Don't tell me. Wait, guys. I think I just have to get killed.
Yeah, get killed.
Wait lang, Arman.
Don't press
I
anything.
got myself killed. No.
What?
Guys, bad news. I'm still in the maze.
Wala, hintayin natin.
Ito ni exit, diba?
I have to do this myself.
Yeah, by your own.
You can do it. You can do it, I guess.
Gawin mo yung ginawa natin.
Wait, I think I memorized it. Okay, I memorized.
Memorize. M equals square A.
We are gonna wait for
Yo guys, my friend is stuck in the maze again. Yung nakita ninyo kanina, yes, na-stuck siya.
Pamatay ako kasi.
Hindi kasi niya na-follow ako.
What the hell you mean?
Dude, nakita ko you're just standing there sa ako nagtatakbo pa rin.
Dude, my stamina was out.
Why did you still not follow me?
Come again, me. Come again, me.
Samuna-muna. Waka. Can I return? No, I can't. I can't. No. We're gonna wait until my.
Oh, knock it down. Oh. Was it forward or was it left?
He's actually hitting one.
Seriously.
Run, run, pop them.
Yeah.
Ano?
There.
You got teleported? Yes! Yes, guys, nandito na siya!
Mine itself like 3 minutes.
Go to the toughest walk ever done.
Bro, yo, we speedrun chapter 1. Next is chapter 2, guys. Chapter 2. One more game. One more game. One more game. Next chapter.
Mag-ihi lang ako. Ano pagod na bathroom?
Oh no, guys. Iihi na yung ka-friend ko. Oh no. Baka masira yung toilet. Hala guys, pupunta na yung ka-friend ko sa toilet. Be very sneaky. Run, pop, I am not dead, guys.
Alright, tough gang, I'm back.
Okay, we're back here at the chapter 1 and let's go. Ako mag-distract. Ay, ako magdi-distract. Yep. Ring around the rosy. Ashes.
Guys, check the chat.
As she goes to my.
Please. Okay, I found the key.
Guys, check the chat. Shoot, don't touch me, woman.
Yeah, the long woman, yeah. The long woman. That whole. She tall. Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah. She saw this.
Akin mo.
Wala kang.
Okay, which door was it? Left or right?
9.
This was which door? Left or right?
9. 10, 11, 12. I'm not going in there kasi mag-iinom ako.
Bakit?
I already pulled it.
I'm just drinking, guys. Wait lang.
Guys, did you see the do you guys even mind what I said in the chat?
No.
Check the chat, look what I said. Oh, come back.
What you mean you're gonna lick? We just AFK for just a second. I'm saying what kind of Gundam did I got? How did I die? Ay, wait, I'm not dead. Okay, let's skip. We're gonna try to
If
skip
you have the
this.
key,
We still have the key. Ito ba yung Kiso na tao?
Shiba Abomination.
Abomination.
No, mamaya pa yun.
No, it's a ninja guy.
I
Yeah.
almost fell. I almost fell. But Hitler.
That guy is named, ano, that guy is named,
Samurai Tae.
no, his name,
Samurai Tae.
What one?
his name, ano,
Samurai Tae.
Sorry, he's one of,
That's Samurai Tae. Samurai Tae.
Wait, this is like the movie Walking.
What Walting?
Anong samurai tae, Arman?
Oo, Samurai Tae.
That's not his name.
Oo, Samurai Tae.
Hindi ang pangalan niya.
I think his name is Story, or no.
His name is Nick.
His name is
I swear. Pag na-copyright tayo,
His name is
bahala ka dyan.
How is that copyright? You mean demonetized?
Demonetized.
What's that sound? Why do you hear? I got it. Nangyari?
Ivan turned black. Yes.
Wow.
Driving in my car right after.
Wala na copyright. Just kidding.
Open the door. Hell no.
Ayoko nga.
Help me! Help me!
Ang dili-dili
Hello. Ne.
There's nothing in here, Ivan.
Hello.
Just clues. Oh yeah, the door. And the door.
The Diddler. Hello. Where are you now? Where are you now? Dun, 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 dun. A fantasy.
You ready to speak for doing this?
A fantasy. Where are
Gusto
you
ko what
now?
that stuff.
Ulit.
Butterflies into the movie.
Yo, that's a massive guy, bro. Is he gonna chase us?
Akin na lang yung tape mo.
Mabigat yun sa'yo? Is he gonna chase?
Daw?
Is he gonna
Tinawag
chase?
mo ako pat? Kailangan pala. Tinawag mo ako pat.
No, not fat. I'm telling the cape is too big.
Tinawag mo ako pat,
No, sige. Yes.
Tinawag mo ako pa.
Sorry, wag niyo ako iwan.
Oh, para pag gusto namin.
Ayoko nga.
Shiba Inu. Oo. Pupunta na tayo sa Shiba Inu.
Yo, I wish there just a dog. There's a pretty big dog with a cursed face. That would be better.
Tingnan natin sa chapter 3.
No daw.
Oo, may chapter, ay hindi, chapter 2 pa lang, or chapter 3.
Chapter 3. Cotton.
Anong speaking cotton? Anong...
Look! I still have the
Me
spirit.
too, bro, look, far, look.
And who opened the door?
Me,
Me!
just kidding.
Sino si me?
It wasn't me kasi nandito pa rin.
Guys. Kasang.
Bakit?
Wala. Just kidding.
Ito na ba yung tatai si Ivan?
Utot ako malakas sobra! Utot ako malakas sobra!
I hope I don't scream.
I hope Ivan, I hope I don't scream. Wow, so scary. You want a butterfly, little girl? Galing.
You're paying for your ancestors.
Yo, gusto mo ng butterfly, little girl? Gusto mo butterfly?
Oh. Bakit?
That girl is named Shaka.
Chakra?
Hindi ko yan.
And the big
Oh!
Yo, sino gusto ng
Her name is Shock. Yun lang.
Didi? Yes.
Yo.
We
I
need
will call her No Legs. Yes.
makes sense because she doesn't walk. She just floats.
Yeah. That's why I call her No Legs.
Guys.
A woman that has no legs.
Guys, listen to me. I'm gonna take over.
Yeah, kainis ka. Yeah, guys.
Ivan, look behind you.
Remember she's here, she's so fast.
Yeah.
What you mean I'm?
Bye-bye.
Terabytes.
You see me?
Sus.
You can catch me, I'm so fast.
Nasaan kayo?
Ba't namin sabihin?
I'm lost. I'm just like Zorro.
Takbo, lukbo! Ah!
Guys.
Oh, ankle break!
Guys.
I do this for my people like,
Oh.
you know them.
Ano? Ba't kayo tumatakbo? Ba't kayo tumatakbo?
You know, the woman with no legs. Yeah.
Oh.
Chucky? Yeah.
Yeah, Chucky. Yeah, okay. Okay, Precious. Chucky.
Chucky.
Sinabi ni Precious, Chucky. Wala, we need another key.
I hate it.
Oh, too big. Meow meow.
It's a big woman.
Nah, that's my dog.
It's not your dog.
I call her Daisy.
No! Where is she? Hindi lang kinain.
Tae, nasan ka?
She's not here yet.
May nang pagkain, tae.
What you...
Kain ako. Sorry na, nakuha ko yung tsokolate nyo. Sorry na.
Armand, she's after you.
Tsokolate, kailangan ko.
Chocolate.
Tsokolate, kailangan ka.
I mean, she's slow and we're the fast. I almost got killed by Chucky.
Chucky? Clucky? Pucky? Utot?
Anong Chucky?
Yo, I got this. This.
Stop.
Dope. Let's go here.
There's so much people. So scared. My God.
Biglang narinig ni Precious sa ano? Biglang narinig ni Precious sa birthday niya. Sa ano? Sa next room. Sa boys room.
Ay, by the way guys, pupunta ako sa pag 24 and 25. Walang video
Sarap.
kasi pupunta ako sa birthday ng ka-friend.
Sarap.
I want to see the lady.
What you mean? She's so hot. She ugly as fuck. She ugly, bro.
Mine.
She look like snail. She
mine.
look like snail with a frog on it.
She has to be mine, bro. She has to be mine.
Kala ko
Wait, guys.
nakuha ka na.
Guys.
Taken by you? Treat me like what?
Guys, open the
Follow
door.
follow the map what Precious sent to the GC.
Open the doors, okay? Open the door thingy.
Ayun no.
Go. Inside. Baka mamamatay tayo.
Bakit ako? Wala naman dito.
Listen to her humming.
Good. Sige.
Tao po.
Pabili ng balot.
Here, let's go to the garden.
Pabili ng balot.
Let's go to the garden where the spirit butterfly is.
Pabili ng balot.
That's we can beat chapter 3. No, chapter 2.
Tao po.
Para I can't move.
Pabili pa ng balot.
Balot chicharon.
Pabili pa ng balot ninyo. Ate. Tol, ano ba? Tol! Kaya si Daddy Gay. Quick. Tol, ano ba? Kapag namatay ako. Saan ka ba? Wala naman siya dito. Ba't ko yung takot?
Fireman.
Akala ko siya. Joke lang. Putok. God!
Oh!
Wait, can't you just reach in the door to get us?
First thing, she too big.
No, I mean like our nails can get us.
Yeah, but she too big.
I know! Paluin kita. Sige. Ang random.
Yo, ano to? Guys, ano to?
Spirit butterfly.
Ano to? Didi butterfly.
I hear a footstep.
Baka sa akin yun. Big feet. Big feet. Oh, big feet.
Spirit butterfly kunin natin.
Ito ba yung exit?
I still see your shadow in the room.
Parang bumalik lang tayo.
Ayun yung exit, oh. Kailangan lang natin kunin yung butterfly.
Sure ka?
Ito pala yung exit.
Mukhang entrance to.
Aray ko.
Ito yung exit. Ayun yung butterfly. Kunin mo yung butterfly. Tara.
Ano
Maghintay ka lang dito.
Yung,
Maghintay ka lang dito.
may,
Ako?
Hindi, si Arman.
Oy!
Ako na lang.
Sige.
Sige, kaya na lang ang Arman.
Sige. Ay,
Ay,
hindi ko
bigla namatay. Bigla namatay pagkalabas.
Hindi ako magkakarga sa'yo.
I don't think she can enter here. Too big.
That's what she said.
That door. And that door. Shut up. And that door is too small.
Hey, shut up. Hello?
Mama! Puro ka. Hello? Hello? Puro ka hello. Ano ba?
Hindi kasi agad mo.
This is her footsteps, Arman.
Wala nga ako narinig ko yung hangin ni Ivan.
Come here, Dad! Big boy, how do you hear my electric fan?
Okay, first, go here, and go here, and go here, and go
You know where this butterfly is?
and go
There.
here,
There.
and go
Ay,
here.
ako ay isang model.
And
Great.
and
Butterfly.
go here, and go here, and go here, and go here. Go here, go
Ako si
here, and
Mr.
go here.
Suave.
Saan ka na?
Tao. Teng, 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 teng. Ako si Mr. Suave. Teng, 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 teng.
Ako ay puro tae.
Arman, let's go.
Sige.
Ako si Mr. Tae.
Ako ay puro tae.
Hey, hey.
Ako
Doon
nagtatae.
ganon.
Ako puro
Basto.
tatae.
Ang basto.
Banstot.
Arman, let's go.
Dog is the exit.
Dod,
Yeah?
Dod.
This is just 1 point.
No.
No, I'm not sure. Isn't there a spawn point?
Sure ka?
Yes.
Kami na
Diba yung yung exit na rin dapat sasabi, yung button open.
Yeah, sinabi parang pa-straight siya. Pa-straight siya na hole.
Hole. Butas.
Hindi butas. Wait. Saan
Ano
ka?
kayo? I think it's spawn. Yung kinikis mo.
Yung hangin. Versus labas ka, labas ka par, labas ka.
Yes, sir. Can I go to the exit?
I don't know. Sabi pa straight siya. Saan tayo? Saan tayo pupunta, Precious? Tinanay na, ikaw na.
Hello? Hello?
Tayo ko na ba?
Hello?
Be careful, Arman. Very fast.
Ayoko nga.
She's a fairy.
Yung may disrespect ko.
Precious, tignan mo nga, tignan mo nga. Ayan!
Do I go down? Yeah. Up. Yeah. Aha. Perfect.
Keep going.
Eh. Let's go. Saan tayo? Ay, yun garden.
Dito, dito.
Ah, ito yung garden na pinuntahan ko dati.
Saan yung papito?
Saan nga?
Naku, dito.
Saan nga? Ha?
Sa isang garden pa yan.
Garden. Ito monster. Shika.
Teng, 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 teng. Ako si Mr. Suave.
Ako ay puro
Remember,
tayo.
follow me.
Ako ay puro tayo.
I don't see her here.
Yo, tinan mo yung chinat ko sa'yo.
Working on.
Ano ka, Arman?
I'm in the garden.
Pinches letter.
Spell mo.
Egg.
Yeah, correct.
Egg.
Alright, I'm at the spirit.
Wala na, malayo na siya. Diyan nga pumunta, bakit tayo pupunta dyan?
Guys, I'm at the spirit.
Wake me up.
Malayo siya.
Ay ba, yung electric fan mo.
Bakit ba?
Pa, nandito siya.
Think, how the hell can you hear my electric fan? It's so far away. I have the spirit.
Anong gusto mo? I have the DNA of a dog. Anong gusto mo? Ganun yung explanation ko. I have a DNA of a dog.
I think I get killed by this beautiful woman.
What you want?
That woman is yeah. I can't even see her in the dark.
Nah, bro.
Guys, I have the spirit. Where do I go now?
Pare. Run. Run. By the way, guys, if you hear
It's moving my
something,
location. I'm at the garden with the butterflies on a mountain.
guys, if you see a reference, just comment it. Just comment the reference.
I don't see stuff near her.
Just comment the reference, guys. Okay. But if I got jump scared, you're black. Yeah, the monster is the most blackiest thing ever.
What did you say about my girl?
What you mean?
Joking.
That's a
Black
monster. Monsters.
And
Alright.
the worst woman I ever seen.
Yeah, bro.
Guys, I think I'm
Even Uzi is better than that.
She's beautiful. What the fuck do you mean?
Nah, bro, yung makeup niya, yung lipstick, nagiging buong mouth.
Anna, she looks like her.
She look like Joker.
Your lipstick is not that soft.
POV, you got bored, so you just roast some monsters. POV, you grab kids. Clapping.
She went to the opposite direction.
I'm black, I'm a black.
I don't know where I am. I think I entered where the
Dude,
exit
I'm
was,
running
but-
in circles.
Guys, where are you?
Oh, Scooby-Doo.
I just saw Arman for a second, but I lost him. Remember the garden when it was dying? I'm there. I have the spirit.
Why is Sama so hot?
Yo, MF.
No. I don't know where that woman is. She's stuck.
Wala, paski. Yo, par. Wala lang, be quiet. Malapit sa akin, malapit sa akin.
Wait, are you guys in the garden?
Wait. Okay. What the?
Wakan mo ako.
Oh, a chicken nugget. Oh, a chicken nuggets. Wala ba siya? Wala ba siya? Wait.
Was that the exit or the entrance?
I just run in circles.
Bro, I'm in the garden.
Or the butterfly?
I'm lost.
I know where I am.
Black pig in your area?
I know where he is.
I'm in a garden, but I don't know where.
Arman, wala ko butterfly. Bakit dyan sa'yo?
I have the butterfly.
Walang malapit siya sa akin.
I'm distracted. Trying to figure out who that. Saw her. She just went like.
Yun yung
forward,
butterfly.
went left.
Guys, here's the problem. I got the butterfly, but the problem is I'm lost.
I have the butterfly. I think I know the exit.
I'm lost. Where's the hiding spots?
She got stuck.
What?
She got stuck.
Bang her.
How am I supposed to go to the exit?
Wait, do you have the butterfly?
Yeah?
Oh, no. Wait, I tried to sacrifice.
Wait, don't. Not yet.
Ako yun lang.
Bakit ako nakapunta ulit sa isa pang garden?
I can hear her. Malapit mo sa malayo.
I died.
Alam ko na bakit lumalayo sa akin yung boses.
You know what? I'm just gonna wait in the exit. Then I'm gonna wait for Ivan.
Ivan or me, because I got the butterfly too.
Let me guide you. So you see that spot where we always die?
No,
Try avoiding him, then you can find the glowing exit.
no.
Guys,
Yeah?
I don't know where I am.
No. No.
It's in the narrow spot where the
You black?
narrow spot.
You black?
Shut up. I don't know where the hell I am.
Dude. I farted. Ang layo na niya. Brother N-word. Brother N-word. Brother N-word. I survived.
Guys, I think I'm near the exit. I just took a right turn.
Lumalayo na siya.
That's me.
Right turn. I swear, if I just run in circles, I can see like open doors. Maybe this game was much.
I'm at the eggs. Didn't get the butterfly.
Oh,
Guys, magwa 1 hour na yung video saka hindi pa natin to na-finish.
let's end. I think so.
It's okay. It's okay. Good.
Make the part 2.
Okay guys, I'm gonna pause it. Yo guys, we're back. We're back. We're back again. And look at this. Look at this. Chapter 2 ended. It's the Black Samurai. Next chapter?
Yes.
Ay wait, no, there's no.
What's that? Are you gonna protect us?
Wait, baka boss fight.
Yo, I wish that big samurai thing would protect us.
Yo, baka yung samurai na yun magalala. Ano yun parang ang lag. Ang
We
lag.
finally beat it. Oh.
We finally beat it. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Nasaan na kayo? Where's my butterfly? Nawala yung butterfly ko. Yo, finally we're in water.
Oh no.
What? Oh no.
Oh
Nakapit kami
no.
kumabang kami ng fish. Sana nga ng bao.
Pare,
We're gonna die.
this is bad news if Precious said oh no.
Hell no.
What do you want to say?
We're in the sewers. We're in the sewers. Teenage Mutant
Oh,
Ninja
no.
Turtles.
We're cooked.
Why
Ow.
cook?
Hey, what's this? I can't read it. I love liquor.
I love liquor.
Friend.
What's this?
What?
This is where we're gonna ring the bell and Patrick's soul.
You have to touch her toes?
We're gonna kill her?
Yeah, we're gonna kill him.
Touch her? Oh.
We're gonna have to touch her toes.
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Alam
We're
mo
gonna capture his soul.
Michael!
Ano mo gusto nyo? Balot o tinapay? Sa Buddha eh. Diba, Toy? Why you get scared?
Ivan, did you hear that? Someone
No.
break in. Someone break in here.
We need to ring
May
10 bells. We need
bakla.
to ring 10 bells. Then we need to capture his soul.
Mama, bakit mayroong bakla dito? Ding dong.
Where is her toes?
Ding dong. Ding dong.
Where is the mission? Where do we find the toes?
What you mean we're gonna catch her soul?
Where is she?
Meron bang chapter? Ayun, chapter 4. I missed every chapter, bro. Because I was scared back then when I was 5 years old. I missed every chapter. I just played chapter 1 and I just quitted.
Oh, someone in here. Hello. Ding dong, galing.
What?
Okay, somebody memorize that for me.
Ni hao. Or man, we're still recording.
Yeah, we're still recording 1 hour. Wait lang, let me just...
Alright, what's the code? Okay. Yo, guys! Check it!
Yo guys, nakikita ninyo?
Yo, Precious, check the code! Check the code!
Wait lang, naka-screen ako!
Actually,
Naka-screen ako.
you can just select it and just go to the code. The password is on your screen.
Nakikita ninyo?
Hindi. Okay. Ako na. Okay. So, this, 3, 0, 1, 5.
Nakikita na ninyo?
I lock the door.
Nakikita ninyo?
Hindi.
Open yun.
Naka-open yung screen ko.
Check.
Open na nga yung door.
Guys, we have a weapon.
Where? Where are you?
Crowbar. Let's go and just do Pokemon style.
Where? Where's the crowbar? I want crowbar, I want.
We look around the curiosity.
How was that?
One.
Siya nga. Kakapture natin yung suit niya.
Why are we going underwater? Why are we going into the flooded
We
area?
need to ring bell.
Yo, Ivan!
we need
Ivan, still water.
Tumimik ka na. Ano to? Ay, Adan.
Shit.
Sensei! Sensei!
Kuya, okay ka ba?
Sensei yan.
Kuya?
Kung gusto niya, gusto mo pandesal. Oo, Japanese food. Don't suck my nose.
Don't touch me. I'm sorry.
Naman.
Bar, there's traps. Bar, be careful. There is traps. I just died from a trap.
I fell to the void.
Yeah, me too. Yung parang dito, yung hole.
So what now?
Yung hole dito. Huwag kayo magpunta. Don't. Don't go to the hole.
Let's go cave diving, guys.
I said don't.
It was too fun, okay? It's a cave diving experience. So what do we do?
She blood.
Ano tayo?
Hello, bakla.
Oh no, guys, somebody has to solve it. I go back. Go back, I'll do it.
Naka-share screen ba ako?
Okay. Okay, we'll do the old technique. So it's just let's go back.
What
What
you
do you
mean?
hear? What do you hear?
Wala, let me just turn off my screen kasi hindi naman kailangan.
Okay, so where do we start? Okay. Cool.
He's black.
So 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 5 is
Ah, shoot.
7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and
Nice.
2 plus 5 plus 2 is
Ayun.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 4. Oh, this is 3. 4. And then 4 plus 1 is 9. Okay, so the code is 8749.
What?
8749.
8749.
Okay guys, okay na. Nah, I'm not going first. Yo, ladies first, ladies first.
Remember, you have to choose on this game.
Oh no.
Anong
Yeah,
oh
when
no?
the spirits align, offer a blade to
So,
continue your path. The
I'm
light
going to play banjo. Then we need to get close to this lantern so he won't see us. He's fast. He's faster than Sama.
Osama?
The black girl
Ano
is basically
Osama?
talking about.
Osama.
Guys, look up there. Look up there. See that?
No.
Sama.
Look
Wala.
Go, 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 go.
Wait, let me load my...
Ano to? Red light, green light.
Saan na kayo?
Oh, then, she's fine.
Guys, I don't
Can
see.
you enter that house over there?
You go here, you go.
Guys, what about me?
Shut up.
Sure.
Then we go to.
Let me do it. I'm the master. Diba?
Then we go to the cave.
Yo,
Go to
what's
the
up,
cave.
guys?
Not even slow.
She ain't that fast.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
Run there.
Tod, bakit ako yung lagi nangingilan eh?
Jesus!
Then we go to the cave.
I see a shrine.
A shrine? I think we need to go there.
Yeah, we go to the cave first because we need to put a sword there.
Ah, so I have
Yo,
to get
see
up
that?
an item here. Where's the blade? Where's the blade? Guys, where's the blade?
It's the cave, bro.
What cave?
Oh, the blade.
So we need...
There.
Kita niyo po ako, nasa lantern po kami. Nakakapagod dito.
Kala ko atake tayo.
Yeah.
Oh, dito dito. Okay.
Damn, she's fast.
Here, it's a cave, bro.
No
Some sort
doors,
of
no problem.
Might need to open.
Did he fight?
I don't understand the police.
Shoot.
Sama was sealed to this very tree. Supposed to be for eternity. Day by night, time was tight. Iyatu was not bright.
Right?
For Sama was her life.
Right?
Secrets were kept. Words were told. The fate of the girl, Sama had a home.
Right?
What? Sama got the hole? Nice, bro. Sama got the hole.
Right.
Osama away. I'm gonna fly someplace and I have 20 bucks in my pocket. Nasaan na si Ding Ding?
Banjo guy.
Yan.
Hindi ko ako makuha dito. Nasa ilaw ako, pangit.
Saan si...
Does he go in the house?
Precious, where are you? Nasa bahay ako. Ay, ito yung starting, Gara. Nasa starting ulit ako. Guys, I'm gonna fly some planes.
Oh, guys, I have the blade.
Okay. You gotta do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Don't worry, I can put talk for you.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
You're trying.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's do it, bro.
Yay!
Let's do it.
Nigga.
Anong sinabi mo? Ano yun, guys?
What now? I gave the blade to the shrine.
Open the gate.
Huh?
Go back to the cave.
Oh,
Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Yeah, okay.
galing!
Sabi ko na yan.
Anong sinabi mo?
Ano to, cage?
Ano
This
to?
is where the camera was, bro.
Wait, nasa tubig pa rin tayo?
Yeah.
Wait, nasa sewers?
Guys, do not touch the hand.
This reminds me of all the Roblox games.
Do not touch the hand. Will touch you.
Ah! Oh, it can damage you, but not jump scare you.
Guys!
Black kitty.
That's Sama. That's what she's talking about.
What you say?
Have you ever wondered what happened to all those butterflies who sacrificed for your food? Hell no.
Yo, what's up, Osama?
Osama.
Oh, Osama, sabi ni Precious. Oh, naka-sealed siya sa tree. Yo. Pahingi.
Do you have to hurt her?
Yo, par, sa taas, wait lang, mayroong grab. Ayun o, butterfly. Eh,
Do you have to help her?
I did. Wait, Michael. You really did. What?
What friends?
Stop lying to me. Get out of my head.
Nakuha.
Ang golo fort.
You're out for the family. Oh, chapter 4.
She's still hot though.
What you mean she's still hot?
That's a spider.
Oh, kati kata. Ati kita.
Okay, to be honest, this is when you sacrifice the girl.
Oh, bet. Wait, where's the blade?
I thought we're supposed to like cut someone's toes. You said that.
You said so, cut someone's toes. Yo, Ivan. This reminds me of something. Merong TV. Merong TV na naka-turn on bigla.
We need to find a rose, a blade, and
Sorry.
and corrupted.
Ganda ng toilet, pare.
Oh, look at this. Wait. I think we have to grow a road.
Gotta go to the code.
Then monks going to win.
Is there a monkey in this game?
Maybe.
Saan na corrupted?
Oh, ayan siya. Pare, parang naka-timer to.
Find the road.
Parang naka-timer to.
I got corrupted. I got the corrupted.
What do you mean timer?
Tignan mo siya, nagbabang na nga.
Okay, what about the road? Dito?
How do I place it?
Who got the key?
I wanna go. Human.
Who got the key?
I haven't put the road there.
The mimic. This guy.
Can I wear it?
That's Ruben.
Robux, magkano?
Open it kasi.
Open the door.
Guys, we need to find a key. We need to find a key.
Open the door.
I got key 1.
You need key 2. But try mo na rin. Try mo na rin. No?
Hindi kaya.
Corrupt? Oh,
Wait,
I wanna grab
Wait, here's the place we want to put a rose.
a rose.
In a woman's bathroom.
That's a man.
No,
I got the
it's
key.
for a woman.
I got key 2.
Look, for a woman.
I got key 2.
How'd you get key 2?
Okay, let's go. Is it locked? Okay, not. It's not. Yo, naka-video pa rin, guys. Okay, naka-video. You got it?
You release the spirit.
Wait.
Get the...
Yeah.
Berg kasi dito sa TV, par yung babae.
Yummy.
Mayroong babae dito sa TV, sa ginamscare ako.
Same.
Ba't mo kasi tingin lang?
I thought it was a statue.
Bad news, I only get one more. It's a blade.
Wala na dito.
Let's look for the blade.
La 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 la.
I think that's Neo.
Who's that? Neil Armstrong?
It's another monster that's I don't know. No, siya chapter 1 of Genesis pa yun eh.
I got the rose, the fire.
It could be, I don't know, I'm not familiar.
Black
The,
Nator.
found the blade.
Where? Oh, there.
Ano?
Where did you found it? Oh, there, finally. I want that for safety.
Wait, guys, let's take it. Let's take the sword.
Yeah, let's take the sword each.
Even if it does not work.
Okay, we need. I got 3 whole items. Look. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's get the sword.
Peace out.
Well, let's. Baka chase scene. Yung stamina, guys.
Am I pretty? Oh, am I pretty?
No.
Am I pretty? Yeah, she's gorgeous.
Dude, if you say no to that. Hindi naka-jump.
Yuri! Oh,
Let's kill me a bit.
okay.
Guys, we're gonna corrupted. Who did not bring the corrupted from last time?
I got the first corrupted.
We're gonna corrupted too.
Okay, this is where we ring the bell.
Why?
And you
Follow
get
me.
to
I swear, bro, if we die because of you.
Okay.
Samurai.
1, The second one in her. She's a ghost of me. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Shoot, pare! Wait lang. Wait.
Okay, go back. He's slow.
What? Bakal pala eh. Oh,
No, she's not. She's normal. Like,
Ah! Ah!
naalala mo yung spider sa chapter 1? Ganun siya.
help me.
Na, sige.
She's gorgeous.
Na, bro.
I wish you could keep her. I don't think you die.
She's beautiful.
Yo, are you
What a
simping right now?
misunderstanding. Yes! I'm gonna admit it.
Good luck.
I don't know why.
She look like a gay man and a tomboy girl.
Did you lose your item?
She's hot.
Yeah, I lose my items. I need to go back.
I don't need to. No. You can... The blade is
Oh.
I can't. The blade is gone. No.
We need to find where the second bell is.
I lost my items.
I don't think you can go back.
Bell.
Where's the bell? Bell.
Mama!
Oh no! Give me somebody!
Stop me.
Lalap din yung bell?
Go.
Oh! Sorry, bro. I died.
Are you able to go back or not?
No, you can't. If you die, you can't. You died?
No.
Sana all you got the sword. Legendary weapon.
I got a corrupted and a blade.
I got nothing.
You got lantern.
It's in the living room.
Ingay mo? Ingay ng babae na ito.
Follow her. Follow the hot lady.
What you mean?
Look. There's the bell.
It's the third lady.
I can't help myself.
Alam ko na bakit dating lesbian ka.
Black.
No wonder.
Where's the bell?
Chicken banana.
How many bells do you have to go?
Am I allowed to go?
9,000 kids.
Why are you running?
What you mean? What did you say?
He is.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
She's so hot. I
Brandy.
don't care if I'm being accused of gold.
Gaga.
How many bells do you have to ring?
3.
I already ring. I think how many bells do we need to ring?
Yeah,
There's
3.
a lot.
A lot isn't a number.
Yo, there's a bell here.
Why did you ring that?
Oh, okay.
Chicken banana kaya.
May I sim for her?
Par, she's floating, come here.
Ow.
She's stuck.
Oh gosh, that's not the door.
She's stuck,
Wait.
guys. She's stuck. She's stuck.
Mother, please.
She's stuck. Precious, do the thing.
No?
Can I distract the fine lady?
Nah, bro. She's already stuck.
Yes, it's already stuck. Oh, look a bell.
Me hiring.
Wait, not her.
He's still there.
Where is it good?
Parang bata. You're a murderer.
Yes,
So?
me too.
You're a murderer. So? I thought I could be something what I
Me
want.
hiring be fine.
Yo,
How
chapter,
do I keep my blade?
yo, chapter 4, guys.
No, please. I want to keep my blade.
You want to keep playing?
No, I lost my blade. Look at
Sendai. It's him. Oh, the banjo guy.
That's a guy at house woman.
Gising na.
Oh, stop banging.
No, I said the gising na. Oh, par, umiba. Look. Upside down. Before you turn me inside out. Ano yun?
You can do one of them.
Secretary.
Sorry.
She attacks from the paintings.
Oh, shit.
No, water. Oh, water.
I'm in her stomach.
What the? What the? Parasites! Nasa pwet ba natin?
No. Ah,
Pwet ba niya to? Oh, shoot, ang laki. Laki ng pwet. Ay, mali. Wrong.
no. Totoo na naman. Oh, please.
How you gonna know if she's here?
Be mindful.
Wait, the ground. Let me in.
Umilis niya!
Sa light, come on, Lincoln.
Is the light thing flash? Oh, she can't get us in the lantern.
Yeah, get to the light. Like,
It's a light lantern over there.
parang sa banjo lang. I'm too fast. Kill me. Did you guys get killed?
I don't know.
How did she kill me?
She's one fine lady.
One
I
five
just stand
baby?
in.
Like she's half baby, half adult?
Oh, half baby.
Alam mo yung baby na meme?
Ow. You got serious damage.
Alam mo yung baby na meme?
We need to turn this thing red. Oh no.
Okay guys, sabay.
Water to eat me.
Or you die.
Yeah. Precious kissed the girl.
Wait, guys.
Yes,
You get damaged by it. We have to dodge her.
my lady, be fine. Please.
Oh my little baby boy, daddy, 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 daddy.
Yeah, guys, you have to dodge her.
Killed you
She's
before.
immune to the light.
Wait lang guys. Wait. Alam mo yung Slither IO?
Ah.
Parang ganun ba siya?
I think so.
I think so. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow.
Cheers, 1 pint logo.
Oh.
Ngayon? Na!
Oh, that's the bomb. Let's go. Like,
I wish we have crosses.
My lady, be fine.
this is fine.
Shit.
We have to solve the skull.
I...
It's in a pattern.
Wait. I found an island. I'm not on water, but I'm on an island of fresh meat.
There's so much damage.
It looks like I'm in an island with fresh meat. Ang laki naman ng map na ito. Shoot, nakita ko siya. Let's go.
I want to go.
Baho. Where's my light when I need this?
Hey, fast.
Yeah, she fast. No, she fast.
I don't care, bro. She's fine.
She fat.
She's fine.
Not that fine.
She's the most fattest thing ever.
Hug.
Gorlock the Destroyer.
Be mine.
Gorlock. So you like fat people?
That's a woman that does not like you at all.
That's Gorlock the Destroyer.
I'm gonna have to agree with you, old Arman.
Okay guys, I'm gonna pause this kasi parang tatagal kami dito. Okay. Okay guys, so hindi namin na-finish. Gagawa na lang.
No,
Maglalaro
ready to
na-
write? I'm ready to act.
Ready to act? Wait lang. I-finish ko lang to. Goodbye message sa video, okay? Okay guys. Di namin na-finish yung level na yun. So, mag-iiba kami ng game. At hindi na ako mag-video. Okay.
My lady is so fine.
And, pabayaan mo lang yung sinabi niya.
What?
Yeah, pabayaan mo lang yung background na yun. Because she's talking about
What is she doing
centipede
inside
with
of it?
a human face. That's it. And she called it hot with a centipede. Yeah. She's
Do
simping on
not
a
listen to
centipede.
her. She's crazy.
Yeah, Precious is simping
not
on a
care.
centipede.
I do not care if I'm crazy.
And
I
now,
want her.
and now, just like and subscribe. It's not that hard. And 3, 2, 1, peace out, guys.
Blah.